2018 Alfa Romeo 4C review. This unique driver's car can be a blast to push, but only in small doses. The 2018 Alfa Romeo 4C checks plenty of boxes about the exotic race car wish list. It's from Italy, its engine is behind the seats, the chassis can be a carbon fiber monocoque, and also the entire car weighs a lot less than 2,500 pounds. The 4C also uses rack and pinion steering, without the need of power assist. That particular cutting-edge automotive technology appeared in, the 1930s. But having it inside a 2018 car when the rest is numb feeling, electric assist tracks is nearly a revelation. In the 4C, manual steering both saves weight and gives greater feedback to your driver, and also this car is about lightness and feedback. The engine shouts directly in your ear, the suspension communicates every minuscule imperfection within the road, and also the minimally padded seats you should definitely feel every vibration. This raw, unfiltered driving experience is both why are the Alfa an exclusive standout among modern cars and why is it an unlivable daily driver. The 4C happens to be a second, or perhaps third, car. For the funds, there are several engaging sports cars which can be significantly better to live with, you recognize, without having a garage sufficient for a tiny fleet. The Porsche 718 Cayman and 718 Boxster, the Chevrolet Corvette, and also the Jaguar F-Type are typically exceptional drivers' cars. All their very own strengths and weaknesses, however, they are all more at ease and more practical. What's new? For 2018, the 4C gets optional carbon fiber exterior vents together with yellow accent stitching towards the interior. A new cosmetic package also debuts. The biggest choice you must make is whether you wish the coupe or convertible, and that's the sort of personal decision we'd not presume to dictate. But we all do strongly encourage that you opt with the convenience package, which adds rear parking sensors. Since there is no backup camera available and rear visibility is poor, the world thinks the sensors really are a must. The Dual-Mode Krapovic exhaust is a nice add-on mainly because it provides both a sturdy exhaust note along with a more subdued mode. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Alfa Romeo 4C should just be considered by buyers willing to experience the inherent day-to-day difficulties of driving a seriously hardcore mid-engine performance car. Its no-frills attitude is reflected in their skimpy set of standard and optional features. After all, more features make for the heavier car, as well as the 4C is centered on keeping the load down. If you should desire a few extras, the convenience package adds a number of luxury elements. The track package incorporates performance upgrades, plus the carbon fiber interior trim package is self-explanatory. The 4C is powered by the turbocharged 1.7-litre four-cylinder engine, 237 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque paid into a 6-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission sending power towards the rear wheels. Standard equipment for your coupe features a 17-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, summer performance tires, LED running lights and taillights, heated mirrors, aircon, power accessories, cloth upholstery, a leather-wrapped tilt-tantless coping leader, a 7-inch driver information display, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as an Alpine subwoofer with a CD player, a USB port and satellite and HD radio. The 4C convertible even offers a manually operated soft top, leather seats as well as an alarm system. The leather seats are optional within the coupe, and leather seats with faux suede upholstery are offered on both body styles. An optional convenience package adds rear parking sensors, cruise control to the coupe, and self-protection system. The track package incorporates a more stiffly tuned suspension, available 18-inch front and 19-inch rear wheels, a flat bottom leader and additional carbon fiber exterior trim. Additional carbon fiber styling elements are incorporated with the carbon fiber interior trim package. Notable standalone options include xenon headlights, a subwoofer, a carbon fiber roof, a hobby exhaust with an Akrapovic dual-mode exhaust. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically also comes in multiple versions which can be fundamentally similar. The S with this review derived from our full test of the 2015 Alfa Romeo 4C Coupe Turbo 1.7 litres inline 4, 6-speed dual-clutch automatic, RWD. Note: since this test was conducted, the existing Alfa Romeo 4C has brought some revisions, including an alternative standard sound system along with the availability of an Akrapovic dual-mode exhaust system in 2017. Our findings remain broadly applicable for this year's Alfa Romeo 4C. Driving. Performance may be the primary mission from the 2018 Alfa Romeo 4C, particularly if equipped while using track package and high-performance tires. As such, this 4C is in all closed to the front from the pack for acceleration, braking, steering and handling. Everyday drivability suffers to the same reasons, though. Acceleration. Turbocharging a compact engine sometimes produces surging acceleration, but not within the 4C. The four-cylinder has excellent urban manners, as well as Corvette challenging speed. 0 to 60 miles per hour in mere 4.2 seconds is damn quick. Braking. The rear bottom-hinged brake pedal gives an incredibly firm feel, features a short travel, and operates similar to a race car's. You'll need to press firmly, however the action is positive and reassuring. Our 4C came to your halt from 60 miles per hour in 104 feet. That's short, but a majority of rival sports cars do better still. Steering. The steering has zero power assist, in order that it gives crisp, precise and informative responses at speed. For a sports vehicle, there is nothing better. But the low-speed heaviness, specifically when parking, has to be a problem for a few. Handling. A dynamic mode stability control, lightweight body and chassis construction, mid-engine layout, sticky tires, and race car-like steering and suspension provide uniquely dynamic handling qualities that few cars, even exotics, can match. Drivability. Both the engine as well as the quick-shifting dual-clutch transmission are surprisingly easy to accept, even just in traffic. But the ultra-loud sport exhaust and exceptionally firm suspension, both optional, will grow tiresome quickly. Comfort. If you're looking for just a comfortable performance car, run elsewhere. The 2018 Alfa Romeo 4C, particularly if optioned with all the purposefully stiff suspension and loud exhaust available on our test car, is quite difficult to deal with. An example of this, there are no armrests anywhere inside car. Seat comfort. The driver and passenger seatbacks are essentially fixed, nor reclined beyond about 90 degrees, so you'll either fit within this Alfa, otherwise you won't. Padding is minimal, nevertheless it's inside the right spots. The lack of elbow rests means sore shoulders on long drives. Ride comfort. The 4CS stiff suspension is wonderful on a racetrack, but it really makes for any harsh ride in highway groove following dartiness. A lot of rival sports cars consist of adaptive or adjustable suspension damping to help you smooth out the ride, however it's not available about the 4C. Noise and vibration. Purposefully created with bare-bones lightweight materials and minimal sound insulation together with optional exhaust, this Alfa is one of the loudest cars we've ever tested, whether at idle or cruising, but especially at full throttle. Interior. The Alfa Romeo 4CS interior features barely tolerable ergonomics, clumsy entry and exit, little legroom, appalling outward visibility, and without any cargo or storage area. This is certainly not a daily driver. Is beneficial. Eccentricities abound. That has a strange audio head unit which is a detachable face, a confusing instrument panel with an arduous strip material set protocol. Some controls are marginally much easier to operate, such as window switches, push-button transmission selector and drive mode rocker. Getting and jetting out. The carbon fiber monocoque passenger compartment requires wide door sills, therefore, the 4C is the sort of car you fit in and climb or hoist yourself out of. To make matters much harder, the doors lack intermediate and end stops. Roominess. Compared to people of similar sports cars, the Alfa Romeo's cabin features a sense of open space, having a low dash and ample headroom. For those over 6 feet tall, however, there's little legroom in seat. Visibility. The view over the windshield is fantastic, though the small windows, side mirrors, essentially useless rear view mirror and big blind spots transform it into a challenge within the real world. Optional rear parking sensors certainly are a must, especially because there isn't any rear view camera available. Quality. Some buttons feel embarrassingly flimsy. Even so, the 4CS chassis is constructed just like a race car with beautiful hand-laid carbon fiber and aluminium cradles back and front. That alone will probably be worth the base car's price. Utility. The minuscule cargo area can be found adjacent for the hot engine and under a corner glass. There are 2 useless cup holders and basically no in-car storage besides a stretchy net within the dash rather than glove box, as well as a lockable pouch behind the very center armrest. Technology. Like most practical aspects with the 4C, the 4-speaker sound system is really a no-frills affair. You get Bluetooth, a USB port, and HD and satellite radio. Cruise control can be an optional extra, included inside convenience package, as well as rear parking sensors plus an alarm system.